Exercise number 1.5 and some example problems. Write as logarithm of n, मतलब single logarithm. Many logarithms are there. We should convert into single logarithm. So second bit, logarithm of 16 base 2 minus logarithm of 2 base 2 is equal to. See, these two methods I can do. I am doing one easy method. Logarithm of 16 base 2 minus logarithm of 2 base 2, same number with same base 1. Here no need of writing every time. If you know the formula, logarithm of a base a is equal to this here is equal to. Now 16 2, 16's factors I am finding with 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 is equal to 2 1 2 3 4, 2 to the power of 4. This is equal to logarithm of, this can be written as 2 to the power of 4 base 2 minus 1. Degree will come to coefficient 4 logarithm of 2 base 2 minus 1 is equal to 4 into logarithm of 2 base 2, again logarithm of a base a is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 4 1s are 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, the total question logarithm of 16 base 2 minus logarithm of 2 base 2 is equal to 3. Or another method, logarithm of 16 base 2 minus logarithm of 2 base 2. This is the difference. Logarithm of difference. This is difference means minus. Subtraction can be converted as what? Division. So this is equal to logarithm of 16 divided by this 2 base 2 1s are 2 8s are is equal to logarithm of 8 base 2. This is equal to 8 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 cube means logarithm of 2 cube base 2. 3 degree will come to coefficient 3 logarithm of 2 base 2 is equal to 3 into logarithm of 2 base 2 like this same formula 1 is equal to 3 1. Two methods are there, whichever method you want you can. Next is fifth bit, logarithm of 10 plus 2 logarithm of 3 minus logarithm of 2 now is equal to. Now you see, single logarithm of 10, there is no disturbance for this one, plus this is called coefficient. Coefficient will goes to the degree means logarithm of 3 this coefficient on degree minus single logarithm of is equal to logarithm of 10 plus logarithm of 3 square, 3 into 3 is equal to 9, logarithm of 9 minus logarithm of is equal to plus means sum will be converted into product is equal to logarithm of 10 into 9 minus logarithm of 2 is equal to logarithm of 10 9s are 90 minus logarithm of 2 is equal to logarithm of difference will be converted into by means logarithm of 90 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 remainder, 2 5s are 10 is equal to logarithm of 45. Single logarithm of. So whose answer? Therefore total question logarithm of 10 plus 2 logarithm of 3 minus logarithm of 2 is equal to logarithm of 45. Next like that, example number 12. Example 12, 2 logarithm of 3 plus 3 logarithm of 5 minus 5 logarithm of is equal to coefficient will goes to degree. Formulas are there. Logarithm of a to the power of m is equal to m log a. Degree will go to coefficient will go to degree. If I am asking this question, you should say this answer. If I am asking this question, this is the answer. both sides, identity that is. Logarithm of 3 degree square plus logarithm of 5, it will goes to degree 3, minus logarithm of 5, it will goes to degree, is equal to logarithm of 3 square, 3 3s are 9, you are telling 3 3s are 6, don't do that type of mistake, plus logarithm of 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 5 are 25, 25 into 5, 125, 125, minus logarithm of 5 square, 5 only, 2, sorry, here 2, I wrote mistake here, logarithm of 2, this 5 will go up, sometimes it will happen like that, 2 to the power of 5, 2, 5 times, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, one more time, 32, is equal to, sum will convert into product, logarithm of 9 into 125 minus logarithm of 32. This is equal to difference. Difference will convert into by division. Logarithm of 9 into 125 by 32. Cancellation possibility is not there. So 125 into 9. Into 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 2s are 18. 22. 9 1s are 9. 11. 1 1 is equal to logarithm of 1125 by 32. Whose answer? This total question. Therefore, this question is equal to answer the single logarithm. Okay? Like that only. Example number 14. 14th example. Very important question. Very important. Find x if given, what is given here? 2 logarithm of 5 plus 1 by 2 logarithm of 9 minus logarithm of 3 is equal to logarithm of x. Implies, you see, coefficient will goes to degree, logarithm of 5 square, coefficient will goes to degree, logarithm of 9 to the power of 1 by 2 minus single logarithm, logarithm of x is equal to logarithm of 3 is equal to logarithm of x. And doing here, after this implies logarithm of 5 square, 5 into 5, 25 plus logarithm of this step, very important, 9 to the power of 1 by 2, you wrote square root of x is equal to x to the power of 1 by 2, here 1 by square root means by 2. If I am asking this one, you should say this one, means it is in the form of logarithm of logarithm, you remove, 9 to the power of 1 by 2 is there, this can be written like this, square root of 9 means square root of 9 minus logarithm of 3 is equal to logarithm of x, m plus logarithm of 25 plus logarithm of square root of 9, 3 3s are minus logarithm of 3 is equal to logarithm of x plus logarithm of 3. I was having 3 logarithms, minus I gave 3 logarithms to someone, yes, 0 implies logarithm of 25 is equal to logarithm of x, implies both side log is there, remove the log, what is left here, 25 is equal to x, implies this x I am writing this side is equal to this 25 I am taking that. 25 is equal to x is equal to 25. Therefore, x is equal to 25 is asking find x.